नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, today we are going to start a new lesson. Before that, I need to say one story about Sri Krishna. Okay, Sri Krishna. Uh, Sri Krishna is a god of Hindus, right? Sri Krishna is the god of Hindu. He has one best friend. His name is Sudama. Sudama. This is Sri Krishna and this is Sudama. Okay. So they both are best friends from the childhood. So after that, what happened when they grown up, the Sri Krishna became the king, and also Sudama he is very poor. He is a Brahmin boy. He is still a poor boy only. He didn't get like what to say. Like Sri Krishna, he didn't get any place and all. So one day what happening means, when Sudama is very difficult to spend his life to, so his wife is telling, your friend only na Sri Krishna, you go and ask some help from him, financial help from your friend. Surely he will help you, like that Sudama's wife is telling to him. But Sudama, first he is hesitating to go, then he is believing that maybe our Sri Krishna will help me, like that he is thinking, and he is going to meet Sri Krishna. Then Sudama एक महल के सामने खड़े रहते हैं. Sudama is going and standing near to one palace, and like what watchman before and all, द्वारपालक, they will say द्वारपालक वहाँ खड़े रहते हैं. द्वारपालक से पूछते हैं कि श्री कृष्ण जी के घर कहाँ हैं, वेयर इज़ द हाउस ऑफ श्री कृष्ण. सो और वहाँ कहाँ पर रहते हैं, वेयर ही स्टेइंग, वेयर इज़ हिज होम, लाइक दैट दिस सुदामा इज़ आस्किंग टू दैट द्वारपालक. सो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग मीन्स, ये सुनकर द्वारपालक उसे पूरी तरह देखता है. बिकॉज Sri Krishna is a very big person, right? This Sudama, how he is coming means he is very poor. So he is not having proper dress and all. So by seeing that one person is coming and asking about Sri Krishna, that Dwarpalak is looking him from अप टू डाउन. और अंदर जाकर श्री कृष्ण जी से कहता है कि एक व्यक्ति आया हुआ है. He is going inside the palace and telling to Sri Krishna that one man is coming, one man is there outside. और अभी जिसकी हालत बहुत ही ख़राब है, the condition of him is very bad. उसके पास ना अच्छी कपड़े हैं पहनने के लिए, या नहीं सिर पर कोई पगड़ी है, ना ही कुर्ता पहना हुआ है. He is not having nice dress, and also he is not wearing any turban and all. Before and all, the peoples and all, they used to wear turban and all. So he is telling that that man not having any turban, and even a single kurta also not there. He is not wearing the shirt and coming. उसने ये भी कहीं बताया कि वह किस काम से आया हुआ है. He didn't say that why he came. He was asking the place, house of Sri Krishna only. So उसने जो धोती पहनी है वह भी पूरी फटी हुई है. What he was wearing on dhoti, that also it was fully damaged. And उसके गमछा भी फटी हुई है. His shawl he was wearing on towel also, that also was it's फटी means torn. वह द्वार पर खड़ा है. देखने में वह एक ब्राह्मण प्रतीत होता है. इज टेलिंग टू श्री कृष्ण दिस एंड ऑल, दैट ही इज़ नॉट वियरिंग एनी नाइस ड्रेस. ही वॉज वियरिंग ऑन धोती and also on towel on him, and that also is fully torn, and he is not having even a single turban. His condition is very bad. He looks like a Brahmin. वह आपका घर पूछ रहा था. ही वॉज आस्किंग योर होम. मैं उनका नाम पूछा तो सुदामा कहा उसने. While I was asking his name, he was telling that it is my name is Sudama. Sri Krishna ji naam sunte hi, by hearing the name of Sudama, what the Sri Krishna is doing, Sri Krishna became so surprised, and he is remembering that he telling to that द्वारपालक that ये मेरा दोस्त है, he is my friend. वह उदास होता है कि इतने दिन बाद मेरा दोस्त आया है. after so many days, my friend, so he is running outside and going to meet Sudama. Then he is hugging Sudama and he was crying like something. See, after seeing his condition, Sudama को देखकर वह और भी उदास होता है. उनकी एड़ी फटी हुई है. Means his leg is like his heels and all is fully damaged, fully cracked it is. So he was, by seeing that, he became so sad, and he was finding some, he was not wearing any chappal, and also his leg full it is damaged, and he is taking one thorn from that also, like that it fully damaged. So he was, by seeing the condition of Sudama, this Sri Krishna is crying like something, because my friend, he is suffering this much. So after that, what happened? He is asking to Sudama. He is happily seeing, and their own custom is there that those who are coming, any Brahmin is coming in the home, means they used to, host means those who is staying in home. When any Brahmin is coming, if my home any Brahmin is coming, means I need to wash their legs. That is a custom there. So here Sri Krishna has to wash the Brahmin leg, Sudama's leg. So that water is coming to wash his leg, but what happening means his eyes, like Sudama, that Sri Krishna is crying like something, that tears itself has washed his leg, like that Sri Krishna was crying. Then after that, what happened? He is asking to Sudama that whether my sister-in-law has sent some, my sister has sent something for me, you give to me, like that he is asking. He is like, he is asking very happily, but Sudama is hesitating to give, because he has given some dry rice only, that chawal has given. So but he was Sri Krishna is seeing that, and he was taking that and eating from that. So like that he is feeling so happy. And after that, what happening? Sudama is like, he's a Brahmana, so he is very shy to ask help from Sri Krishna, and he is returning from there back. So what happening, when he is going back, while entering the village itself, he is seeing that some changes in that village. He was surprised whether this is my village only, like that he was surprised. Then after that, what happened? He is moving forward, and there he is seeing that one big bangla was there. So he is asking to some people, those who are going here and there, here my own hut was there. I had one hut here. Whether you have seen where it is, like that he is asking to everyone. Everyone are telling, they don't know, like that they are telling. So after that, when his wife, Sudama's wife, came outside from that big bangla and telling that this is our house only. By seeing that, this Sudama is very happy, because he didn't say what he wants to Sri Krishna, but by seeing the condition of Sudama, Sri Krishna understood that what he needs. So whatever he needs, everything Sri Krishna has done without saying itself. So that is only God they are telling. So that is friendship. Without saying itself, we have to know the sufferings or happiness of our friends. So like that only here Sri Krishna and Sudama was there. So that much friendship was there. Understood, my dear kids? That's only the story. So we will learn little, okay? Not much, okay? This is little difficult, not Hindi language. This is Vraj in Hindi, on Vraj Fasha, we will say Vraj, that language only, this one. So it's difficult to understood. Please try to read, because this is the last year for you Hindi. Some next year onwards for you optional Hindi, but something you want to know in Hindi. So that only I am taking lesson. Okay, my dear kids, Sudama Charida. The lesson name is Sudama Charida. Perfect, right? Today's date 12/2/2021, Shukravar. Sudama Charita means the history of Sudama. Okay. Sis Pagana Changa Tanme. Prabhu, जाने को आही बसे के ही ग्राम धोती फटी सी लटी दुपट्टी अरुपाई उपनिह को नहीं सामा द्वार खड़ो द्विज दुर्बल एक रह्यो चगिसो वसुधा अभिरामा पूछत दीन दयाल को दाम बतावत आपनो नाम सुदामा. It means Dwarbalak, that security was standing outside on the palace of Sri Krishna, and this Sudama is coming there. By seeing Sudama itself, he is telling that Sis Pagana Changa. Sis means sir, head. Sis means head. Paga means turban. Changa, dress. Finished, ma? Then he is telling that Sis Pagana Changa Tanme. Sis Paga. On the head, no pagadi is there, no turban is there. Now, Changa Tanme. Tan means body. Tan, body. Body, no dress also there. Prabhu, जाने को अही बसे को ही ग्रामा. पता नहीं कि किस ग्राम से आपसे मिलने के लिए आए हैं. डोंट नो दैट फ्रॉम विच village he came. Grama means village, okay? Village. From which village it came, we don't know, ma, because he is not wearing any turban, he is not wearing proper dress. Dhoti fati si. Dhoti fati. Dhoti means dhoti. Fati means torn. See, lati dupatti. Dupatti also, that gamcha also fati only. That what towel he was wearing, that also was dupatti, means that towel. Gamcha. That also is fati. Arupai. Pai means leg. Upanah. Upanah means chappal. Ko nahi sama means nothing. Even his dhoti, what he is wearing, is also torn, and also the dupatta, that towel also is torn. Pai upanah ko nahi sama, that juta, not having a chappal on the leg also. So he is not having turban, he is not having proper dress, he is wearing on towel, and also dhoti, that also it's torn, no chappal also. That is only that two line. From where he came, don't know. Like that, this Dwarpalak is going and telling to Sri Krishna. Dwar Kado, third line. Dwar Kado Dvij Durbal Ek. One Durbal, one Durbal person, one weak person is standing on the Dwar. Dwar means door. Dvij Durbal Ek. One Durbal person, one दुर्बल ब्राह्मण द्वार पर खड़ा हुआ है. दुर्बल मीन्स वीक. रहो चकिसो वसुधा अभिरामा मीन्स चकिसा मीन्स चकिदा, सरप्राइज्ड. Vasudha means what? Palace. Abhirama, whatever you hear, it is having this Bible, seeing the building and all. He is looking to this building, and he was looking very surprised to see the building of you, palace of you. Puchat Deen Dayal ko dam. He is asking, asking. Puchat means asking. Deen Dayal ko dham. Dham means what? Staying place, house. He is asking the house of Sri Krishna. Batavat apno naam Sudama. He is telling that his name is Sudama. So this is only that 4 line. What is that? He is not having pagadi. Sir par pagadi nahi hai. Sir on the head, no turban is there. And kapde also, dress also proper, it is not there on the body. Prabhu, Prabhu, which किस ग्राम से आपसे मिलने के लिए आए हैं? ही from which village he came, even don't know. Dhoti fati, see that his dhoti also it was torn, his dupatti, that gamche also torn. Arupai chappal also he was not wearing, and one durbal, like that one durbal, one weak person was standing on the door. He was looking everywhere and felt so surprised. He is asking the staying place of Sri Krishna, and also he is telling his name as Sudama. Understood, my dear kids? Okay, then. ऐसे बेहाल विवाहन सो पग कंडक जाल लगे पुनि जोए हाय महादुख पायो सखा तुम आए इतेना कित इतई न कितई दिन खोए देखी सुदामा की दीन दशा करुणा करी के करुणा निधि रोए पानी के परात को हाथ छूयो नहीं नैनन के जल सोम पग दोए ऐसे बेहाल विवाहन सो भी है. Vivahan so means by seeing the behal, his conditions, his bad condition. Behal means bad condition. By seeing his bad condition, fatne ke nishan. Vivahan means that mark, that cracking mark, cracked mark on the leg. Cracked mark. Pag kandak jal. Kandak means kandon ka jal. Means that thorn. Lege puni joy. खोज कर निकाले. He has taken that from the, he is by seeing how what his condition is very bad, like his legs and all is fully damaged. He has taken, Sri Krishna has taken one thorn from his leg. He has taken one thorn from his leg. That is only the first line. Hi Mahaduk Payo Sakha. Why you are this much sad? Why you are this much bad condition? Tum aaye itene kit then khoye. How much day after you have come? Why you were not coming still? Like that Sri Krishna is asking to some. Deki Sudama ki deen dasa. By seeing the bad condition, or deen dasa means bad condition. By seeing the Sudama's bad condition, Karuna Karike. Karuna means kindful. Kind. Karuna Karike. Karuna, by seeing that this kindful person, Sri Krishna even cried a lot. पानी परात को हाथ छूयो नहीं. पानी के परात, पानी के that parat means that vessel they have kept with the water for washing his leg. हाथ छूयो नहीं. He didn't touch even. छूयो, touch. नहीं. He didn't touch even. नैनन के जल से, नैनन आँख, नैनन eye. नैनन के जल सो पग धोए. What he has done with the tear, with the water which is coming from his eyes, with that he has washed the leg. Pag means leg. Thoye, washed the leg. So by seeing the condition of Sudama, he felt so sad, and he's asking to him, he's taking, he's seeing that his legs and are fully cracked, and he was taking on thorn from his leg, and also he's asking to him, why this much day, where were you, why you didn't come to see me? By seeing the condition of Sudama, he became so sad and he was crying a lot, and they were keeping some water for washing his leg. This Sri Krishna is not taking that water because his eyes are that much water, it is coming from his eyes. With that he is washing the leg of Sudama. Understood, my dear kids? This 2 para is enough for today. Okay, little difficult enough, so you understand the lesson. Write all the meanings on the top of it, then you can, while reading, you can understand it. Okay, my dear kids? Okay. सॉरी। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों।